All right, everyone. Welcome back to the final day of our our virtual Zen Summit. Again, not too much to cover today. We've got the design sessions finalized, and we've got a number of good talks coming up. I think there's two things I wanted to cover. The first thing was to say, somebody may be wondering, who on earth is this, and why are they listed as a sponsor for the summit? So basically, Big Blue Button, we have these recordings, but the format that Big Blue Button ends up recording them in isn't something that's easily generally consumable to other, it's not an MP4 format, I guess. And so this company can, basically when we were talking about getting the hosting set up, this company can do the conversions, but rather than sort of say, how much would it cost to pay you to do the conversions, they say, well, how about you just put list us as one of the sponsors, and then we'll call it even. So these guys will, once the conference is done, for free, be converting all of the videos and stuff from the Big Blue Button specific format to a format that is hopefully going to be usable by the Linux Foundation events team to edit and put it on their website. So that's who that person is, and I'll put that in the public chat in a bit. The other thing is, I think we need to be looking for volunteers to in the European areas to order big batches of T-shirts and so that we can amortize the shipping. So we have a pretty cool T-shirt design. It's one of the actually old classic ones that says, my free software runs your company. I don't understand the question, but if that means someone's gonna run around and drop it off, perhaps. So not sure if how practical it is for people that are more spread out, but I know there's probably at least probably 24 people in Cambridge who that we could amortize some T-shirt things over. So my suggestion is that each kind of group of people find people near them and try and get a volunteer to do one big order, and then go and ship the stuff around. So yeah. I would be looking for someone to do that in Cambridge, and I guess if anyone else from some other area wants to try and figure out how to do that, I'm not sure how cost effective it is to order a big batch into Germany and then send it out from Germany, or how that would work. But anyway, I'll let you guys figure that out. Are there any questions or any comments, any things that need to be addressed, any suggestions for how we can change things on the last day to make things better?
I do have one observation. At the moment, the distribution of design sessions means we've got 3 conflicting design sessions in one situation and 2 design sessions that are on their own. Is that intentional, or is that a mistake?
Well, if you look at the design session website itself, it actually tells you how much interest there are and how many attendees there are. So, and it actually, the current algorithm actually it starts placing things by how popular they are. So you can see the Rust in user space has a total interest of 850 with 12 people that want to attend it. The GitLab-based development workload has an interest of 775 with 9 people that want to attend it. And you can see the ones that are in the last one, basically they all have a reasonably small number of people that are interested. So obviously the FUSA-SIG, for the people that are interested in that are very interested. Everybody else is kind of, not particularly interested. Same thing for the Go bindings. So myself and Nick, and it looks like one other person, are very interested. That other people may want to go to the hypervisor FS thing instead. And the Zen sockets on Unicraft, I assume that basically, the Unicraft people care about that, and not a huge number of the other people do. So, this looks like it's functioning as designed. And I'm not sure that we could come up with a better breakdown. Does that answer your question?
Just so long as it's not not a bug, then yes, fine.
It doesn't look like a bug to me. It looks like that's exactly what it's supposed to be doing. So. Okay, well, the first session will start in 7 minutes, and so we'll see you there.